Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S Cafe model, 650 twin cylinder, super low seat height. It's got the cafe fairing, really cool paint scheme, brand new tires front and rear, only 9,800 miles on this gorgeous Vulcan S. Price to sell quickly at $49.99. We've never had one this low, this beautiful. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. ABS brakes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.